Hi, I'm Yami. You're watching Hollywood Culture. Glenn DeFries. American businessman Glenn DeFries, who flight to space with actor William Shatner on Blue Origin rocket, died in a plane crash on November 11, 2021. Glenn was the pilot of the plane, along with another passenger who also died. Glenn passed away at the age of 49. Bob Bondurant, American Hall of Fame race car driver Bob Bondurant, best known for his racing for Shelby American, Ferrari, and Eagle teams, died on the 12th of November 2021. Bob was teaching police pursuits, stunt driving. He died at the age of 88, but no cause of death was revealed. Joe Siracusa, American drummer Joe Siracusa, best known for his work on the Transformers, The Incredible Hulk, died on November 12, 2021. He died of natural causes at the age of 99. John Pearson, British author John Piercer, writer of the James Bond, the authorized biography of 007, died on November 13, 2021. He died of natural causes at the age of 91. Sam Huff, American Hall of Fame football player and commentator Sam Huff, best known for playing New York Giants and Washington Redskins, died on November 13, 2021. He died of natural causes in Winchester, Virginia, according to his family. Heath Freeman, Bones and NCIS actor Heath Freeman, died on November 14, 2021. He died at the young age of 41. Freeman's death was confirmed by manager Joe S. Montefiore, but no cause of death was revealed. Drew Gibbs, American football coach Drew Gibbs died after undergoing emergency surgery on November 16, 2021. He died at the age of 59. To keep watching our videos, please subscribe to Hollywood Culture.